I get asked so many questions about the build of this house. We've absolutely loved it, but of course it's stressful, and the most stressful thing is decision making. So when people take that out of your hands, it's just the best thing ever. And we met Clarke Infinity, Simon, who did my dad's house 30 odd years ago. He won't like to admit that because it shows his age. He likes to think he's young, Simon. He's over there somewhere hiding behind the wall. But basically, he pitched this whole future-proofing idea to me, this Lutron system that is our blinds and our lighting system throughout the house. Now, when he pitched it to me, I thought that sounds cool. It's quite a nice gadget to tell your friends you've got. But once you get over the cool bit, obviously novelties wear off. This isn't about being cool. This isn't about a gadget. This is about literally a life-changing system. I've got switches in my house. One says homely, which is a word that means something to us, our homely part of the night when we sit down and watch telly. I can press that one button, the whole house set at that moment to what I want it to be. So certain lamps will come on, the lights will dim to what I've set them at. It can be 1 to 100%, that can change at any time. My blinds can close and open at any time. I can do it manually on my phone, I can do it through my switches. I can even have it on a timer that my blinds and my lights come on and shut at a certain time. I press home when I come in the front door. That means all of these blinds will close as I press home, and the lights will set to what I like it when we come home. So for an example, if I want to shut these blinds at night, because I'm getting ready to settle down for the evening, just press one button on a switch or on my phone, and as you can see, they just close. And the best thing about the Lutron blinds is the silence. You cannot hear them. When I first saw them in the showroom, I was amazed, and that's exactly why they're in the house now. But honestly, this house goes from beautiful and bright in the daytime, and at night time, it just turns into something special. The lighting design is one of the things that Simon spent the most time on, and for me, it is the best thing I've ever done. I never even heard of a lighting design before, but with the lights that wash the walls and the lamps that are in certain places, I'd never go back. Trust me, it's a game changer.